Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about colors and color combinations you can use to color in the cross contour hand project. Now, two main groups of colors or color combinations are warm colors and cool colors. Now, warm colors, as you can see, are reds, oranges, and yellows. That includes any color in between, such as red orange or yellow orange. Cool colors are blue, purple, and green. And this also includes any colors in between those, such as a bluish purple or a bluish green. Now, typically, warm colors come towards the viewer, or when you color something with warm colors, it makes the object appear that it's coming closer to you. In the opposite effect, cool colors, or objects when they're colored in with cool colors, tend to appear like they're going into the background or receding, going farther away. So if we were to alternate warm colors and cool colors on our tube project, we can create the illusion that the warm colors are sticking out or coming towards us, and the cool colors are going back into space or away from us, receding. Now, these are just two color combinations you can use to color in the project. Right here, we have an example of the project colored in. Now, these tubes are colored in with warm colors, but then the opposite tubes are colored in with black and white. You don't have to use just three colors, but you can. And you can also use black or white. What you want to keep in mind when you're coloring your tubes is that you are changing the colors into a pattern. It's very important that you're creating a pattern with the tubes. This pattern will increase the odds of your drawing looking three-dimensional. We're going to look at another example. On this example, the students used cool colors. And then on the tubes next to the cool colors, they used black and white. Okay, so we have cool colors, green, blue, and purple. And then the tubes next to it, black and white. Pay attention and notice how these are colored in a pattern. A pattern is a repetition of colors or shapes. Okay, for this example, students kind of used a combination of all colors. They didn't go with just warm or cool. They picked colors that they liked. But what they did maintain is order through using patterns. You can see the tubes are green, black, and white, and that's repeated over and over. And then the opposite tubes are orange, blue, and purple. And that pattern is repeated over and over again. Now, when you're coloring in this tube project, keep in mind, markers will work best. If you don't have access to markers, you can use colored pencils or crayons. It always looks better if you outline all of your pencil marks with Sharpie or black marker or black colored pencil, as you can see this student has done. All the lines are outlined nice and bright and completely covered over so you can't see any of the pencil marks. This also makes the tube stand out from one another. Now, when you are picking colors, you can use the warm or cool colors. You can use black and white, or you can use any combination of colors that you see fit to fill in this cross contour tube project. Make sure if you're coloring that you fill in the complete project and all white spaces that are meant to be colored are filled in. We don't want to see the paper underneath a color or just scribble. It needs to be colored in completely, just like you see this project in front of you. Take your time, experiment with colors on a separate sheet of paper before you even go to your final copy. See which colors you like, see which colors look good together. And then once you have a color scheme developed, you may start. when you are finished with the Cross Contour 2 project, take a picture and upload it to Google Classroom to receive a grade. Good luck, be creative, and try your best.